Hey kids, so let's check another question from laws of motion. Again, it's an easy one. And the question is, there's again a train given this. There's a train. Okay, let's make an engine. Okay, maybe something. Okay, so train. It's running on tracks. Straight track, straight line. Okay, and accelerating uniformly at the rate of 5 meter per second square. Wow, so this time acceleration is given 5 meter per second square. Okay, for 5 seconds. Okay, and we have to calculate the velocity of that train in 5 seconds. Okay, so in the question it was given that the train starts from rest, and whenever something starting from rest, initial velocity is 0 meter per second. So now it's easy, right? Which formula? See, there are three formulas, right? V equals to U plus AT, S equals to UT plus half AT square, 2AS equals to V square minus U square. Depending upon what is the asked question, what is the question? Okay, we'll choose what is asked. V, where is V in this and this, right? So what all things are given? A is given, T is given, U is given, S is given? No, so we won't use this. Okay, we will use this. So V equals to U plus AT, U is 0, A is 5, T is 5, 0 plus 25, and V is 25 meter per second. So this is easy, right? Okay.